Hi. Happy Saturday. Happy Saturday. It's been one of those rough parent days. That's what today is what it is. Now, I can tell you next week I will come on Sunday because Saturday is homecoming. So, Jeremy took the day off. Case and like all her friends are coming to our house for pictures, things like that. So, we'll do Saturday night Scentsy on Sunday, and it will be all the fall stuff, like the fall bars, the pods, the oils, warmers, the wall fan. Like, I'll have all of that. So that's next week. If I was the one who placed your order for your harvest stuff, it's supposed to be here Monday, fingers crossed. So hopefully it is. If it is, then I'll be getting all of your guys' stuff out to you, during the week, the weekend, things like that. I gotta sort it. I have 3 boxes coming, so it's kind of a lot. Hocus Pocus comes out on Monday. If you need it, you need to let me know. Just plain and simple. I'm scared of the warmer just because we have not had this much anticipation for a warmer in quite a while. So, and ever since Scooby-Doo sold out in a matter of like 30 minutes or less, I'm like, ugh. So if you need Hocus Pocus, please, you have to let me know before 3 p.m. tomorrow. It's just, I have to cut it off at a certain point because I need to send out invoices and I need to get my list together, because I have to do behind the scenes things to make sure it runs as smoothly as possible. So if you need Hocus Pocus, please get with me before 3 p.m. tomorrow. After that, yon. Okay? Deal? Alright. So we have looked at a lot of the new stuff through the catalog, and I have 3 more things. They're new but not new kind of thing. You'll get it. Just hang on. Alright, so what is this? Vanilla Waves is our new scent in our body line. Now, in the wax, I think it's very sugar wafer smelling. You know those cookies, there's like the chocolate ones and the vanilla ones and the strawberry ones, and they're the long sticks that I don't know what in the world they're made out of, and they got the weird frosting in the middle, and they're like crisscrossy pattern. That's what I think it smells like in a wax. The body part, I think it smells a little bit different. It's not as cookie as the wax is, but it's still on the sweet side, but it's not overly strong. All right, and it's available in body cream, body wash, hand cream, hand soap, and Scentsy soak. Okay, hand cream. Yeah, it's still very like sugar wafer cookie smelling, but it's not nearly as strong and it's not nearly as bold. It's not going to make you like sick because if it's on your hands, you know what I mean? It's not too overly sugary or anything like that. It's honestly a really nice bakery type of scent because we don't have bakery scents in the body line. This is a first. Candy Crave, I wouldn't call that bakery. So to me, this is the first bakery type of scent. So it's kind of nice. If you got, I think, a thank you last month, possibly in one of my boxes, you got one of these. So let me know if you did, if you used it. What did you think of it? All right. But again, kind of sweet, vanilla-y. It kind of replaces the vanilla bean buttercream that used to be in the body line. But we also added Jammy Time body cream. Now, let's paint a picture. You ready? When our kids were little, what did you do? We all bought the lavender baby wash. We all bought the lavender bedtime lotion. We all did. That's what we did. I don't know if they still do that now, but that's what we all did. My oldest is 17 years ago. That's what we did. So let's think about that. I'm not saying you could, you could, but I'm not saying use it on your kids, but you can. I'm thinking more us. When you go to bed, I always put body cream on my feet, my legs, my hands, because I don't want old people hands. They get real wrinkly. I don't want that. So random. But think about it. you put that jammy time on your hands before you go to sleep, and you rub it all in, and then you go to sleep. Most of us sleep with our hands somewhere near our face, and you smell it. It has to be relaxing, and it has to be helpful. It just has to be. Just like we used the lavender Johnson & Johnson baby wash and baby lotion on our kids to help them go to sleep, this is the adult version. That's where I'm going with that. So we also added that into the body line. Next page. This one's the good one. In the laundry line, we added Fluffy Fleece. Let me tell you, Fluffy Fleece was a bar. It was gone before my time in the catalog. It was gone from the catalog before my time. It was voted back in the bringbacks at least twice. And for it to be brought back, not only in a bar, in the room spray, in the scent circle, but to also be brought back in the laundry line, that has to tell you something, because not often do we do that. Not often do we introduce a whole new scent and in a whole new line. Not a whole new line, but you know, it's new in that line. It usually doesn't work that way. It would most generally be, let's introduce it in a bar, bring it back in the bar, in the room spray, in the scent circle. Let's do that, and then next catalog or the catalog after, that's when we'll bring it back into a product line. This is a first. That to me screams how amazing this scent is. It's so good. I love, okay, so it's very similar to Clothesline, but it's gonna sound dumb, but fluffier. I know fluffy is not a scent, but it truly is. Where Clothesline is like, not harsh, but it is big and it's bold and it's just like bam. This one's a tad bit softer, but not in scent strength wise. The scent is just like cottonier, fluffier, snugglier. It's so weird. I know none of those are actual descriptions of scent words, but that's what it is. It's so good. That's what we've been using. We've been using a mixture of this and Magnolia Linen ever since it came out. We have a big container for washer whiffs, and as it gets low, I usually just dump what I have, but those are the two scents that I've been buying. And then our laundry liquid, our washer is the kind that has the drawer at the bottom that you put the laundry liquid in, and then it auto dispenses it. I don't have to add soap every time I do laundry. So when it hits a point where it's getting low, it's not empty, but when it's low, I get a notification on my like display or whatever, and it'll say add laundry or low liquid, low detergent or something like that. So one time it's Magnolia Linen, the next time it's Fluffy Fleece, next time it's Magnolia Linen, and so it is blending them. It may only be a little bit, but it does. It's so good, so good. It is available in dryer discs, laundry liquid, scent soft, washer whiffs, but not fresh. We're hoping for fresh next catalog, but so good. It really is. If you want a big bold scent, that's the only thing. It's not sweet. It's big and bold. I don't think it's heavy floral at all. What is technical? Let me see, because we did bring Fluffy Fleece back in wax. Let me see what the technical description is. Black currant, cozy musk, and heliotropes, which I think are a flower. I personally don't think it's super florally. I really truly think it's just very clean and very stuffed animal. Just very fresh. It's so good. I know it's so dumb, and this is like the worst description ever. It's very, very good, but it is very bold. I would say it is very close to, I personally think the strongest in the laundry line is Clothesline. It is very close to that right there as being strength wise. So good. So good. Vanilla Mint. I don't know why I didn't grab that. Vanilla Mint is now in the cleaning line. It did not come back in a bar, but it is in the clean line. That's all you need to know. Buy it in everything. Buy it in dish soap. So you have Minty Fresh dish soap. It's so good. Vanilla Mint is kind of like a candy cane. It's in all-purpose, it's in counter clean, it's in bathroom clean, and I think that's it. All-purpose? Nope. All-purpose, bathroom, counter, and dish soap. So it's in all 4 of those. It's so stinking good. I have almost went through my whole entire counter clean bottle. I have not opened up my dish soap bottle. I have the bathroom cleaner in there, and I spray down the bathroom. Like, I'll spray the shower, and then I let it sit for a little bit while I'm like getting undressed and stuff like that, and then I'll turn the water on. Oh, it's so good. You guys know I like mint in the bathroom. It's just, it's really good. I'm really mad that it did not come back in the catalog, but I'm very happy I have it in my club, so I'm still getting it. But it's really good. It's really good. That's all you need to know. Buy it. It's really good. Vanilla mint in the clean line. Get it. Don't ask questions. That's all you need. You don't need anything else. Nothing. Truly, you don't need anything. So now we talked about the travel twist just a smidge here and there on different things. This is the new product this season. It replaced the travel tins. The travel tins with the little rectangular thing slid open and closed to adjust your scent. Apparently those were extremely hard to make. Who knew? And some of the complaints was they did not like the gel that was on the inside of it. So Scentsy listened, and they've now created this. It's kind of a hockey puck. I don't know, it might be smaller, bigger, whatever. All plastic, all right? And then you turn it to adjust your scent in there, all right? And when you turn, these little stars on the side open too. So when you turn it closed, you can kind of tell. See how they're closed? You can't really see through them. But see how when you open it, the scent comes through here too. So you get it from the top and the side. You can put this thing anywhere. You don't have to worry about the gel or anything like that. The inside is like a felt. That's what it is. It's a felt disc that has been soaked in the oil, but it's not going to drip. No, I don't know if this is true. You didn't hear it from me, but rumor has it what you can do then is take regular oils, like from my diffuser back there, plop, 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 and you can almost rescent this. Granted, it would be a different scent. We don't have Luna or anything like that in oils, but that's the rumor. You can hear that it's not here, but you can like feel it kind of. It's a pretty thick piece of felt. It's nothing teeny tiny about it. But now people have been using this everywhere. I took it on vacation. I took it on the cruise. I took it to the lake. We used it in the car. We used it in the cruise bathroom. We used it in the cruise bedroom, like the main cabin. We used it in hotel, like main part of the hotel bedroom. We used it in the truck on the way on a vacation. Some people are putting like glue dots or a command strip on the back, and instead of using your scent circle for your lidded trash can, they're sticking these in your lidded trash can or in a cabinet, closet. Some people are throwing them in their luggage when they store their luggage away. Great to take on vacation because they're very cheap. They're very small. They're plastic, so you don't got to worry about anything. There's $7, which is a killer deal, and they come in 7 cents. Amazon Rain, Black Raspberry Vanilla, Cinnamon Bear, Clean Breeze, Cozy Cardigan, Luna, and Vanilla Bean Buttercream. Now, I personally think, but I don't know, I had it in Luna. I got it in Luna. That's what was given to us at reunion. Luna to me is a lighter scent. I personally did not notice the smell, neither did Jeremy, in like the hotel main bedroom or the cruise's main cabin in a big place. We did not notice the smell. Now when I put it in the cruise bathroom, I put it in the hotel bathroom, we did. In the car, well, in the truck, we used it in the truck, same thing. We like not hid it, but it was like under, it was in a little cubby, So I think the scent just didn't have a way to get out because there's no mechanism to throw it anywhere. So I think some people are using them in their cup holder because they do fit in most cup holders. It's not that big around. So size comparison, it's about a little bit smaller than your hand. It will fit in your cup holder. So there are many places that you can use this. I highly suggest get one and then figure it out, but I do think they're better for smaller. Now we'll Clean Breeze and Cinnamon Bear. Those I feel are two very strong scents. Those might work in a bigger room. I don't know. They're supposed to last 30 days, so totally worth. If you can get one of these for $7 and it works in your car for 30 days, dude, why not? And it's not hanging from your mirror. I say give it a shot. If you got your monthly box, you did get one. So I would love for you to tell us where you're using it. Tell us your opinions on it, what's your review on it, because you all hear me talk all the time. So I would love to hear what other people think of theirs, because everybody who got the mystery box last month got one of these. So I would love to hear what you guys think of them and where you're using them. Other people would love to hear that too. So that's it. We're still walking through the new catalog, and during the week we still have just a couple more categories, and then we're going to dive, doesn't seem possible, but we're going to dive into the holiday collection because it's coming out on October 1st. So we need to dive in and break that down so that we can get your guys' orders in. It's a good one. It's really good. So there you go. I'm gonna go fold laundry. I think I'm gonna shut my door. I think I'm gonna lock my door and turn a show on really loud so I don't have to hear children. I should say one child. And fold laundry. You guys get it. You get it. And if you don't, because you have little ones, you will. You will. So I think that's it. If you have any questions, let me know. Again, if you need Hocus Pocus, tomorrow, 3 p.m. That's it. I'm done. I'm not taking any more orders. You ain't gonna slip in at, 10 o'clock Sunday night. It ain't gonna happen. Because I'm highly worried about this one. Highly worried. So yeah. If you need it, let me know. And then I'll see you guys next week.